I'll give it a film, might as well. Oh, look, we got two of them. Oh, sorry. I like this lantern.
Yeah. Kind of a weird cab. It has badge reader in it.
I love this cab.
Here. 5 works. And it has the old indicator. So this is yeah, Continental elevator.
Continental.
Yep. Colorado.
Bro, whoa, look how fucking tall this thing is. What the fuck?
Yeah, that's pretty tall.
Ooh.
If there's no office reception up here, we can take a look at it.
Yeah, alright. I don't think we're. No, looks like we're good.
Yeah.
It's a funky building.
Yeah, cool. We'll have to wait for it to.
What the fuck?
That's
Oh shit, it just left us.
That's funny. And maybe it'll give us the other one. But yeah, Continental uses, because these are what GAL JetPlus.
Yeah.
They always use GAL.
Got some simplex true alerts here.
And we missed the bell.
At least we got the other one.
Yeah, you're right, the other. Ooh, that's a clever one.
Ooh, wow. This one has a ceiling that is not.
The ceiling is not tall. I bet you that other one's meant to be a service elevator.
Yeah, right?
Got our HID multi-class there.
Sorry, I didn't mean to stab you with my finger there.
That's alright. Phone. ADA phone.
Yeah, Continental has been around this place, been around Denver a while.
They did mostly this area in Aurora. Almost all the elevators around here were Continental or Continental that modded US.
Yeah. Yeah, Continental had a thing for modding US from what I saw. Oh yeah, look at that.
Here, let's get an up trip. I'll watch the leveling.
I'll end my video here.